Hey everyone, welcome back to CocoRex, and today we're going to do a quick market analysis on Bitcoin. Just before we start, a quick disclaimer: nothing I say should be used as financial advice. Please do your own research before you make any financial decisions. Alright, let's get straight to it. So on the daily chart, what we're looking at is after Bitcoin had this big drop, we're now consolidating between 28,000 and 41,000. Alright, and within that consolidation, what we were starting to see is a structure form, this falling wedge, okay, which although it's hard to believe with all the bearish sentiment, is a bullish structure. Alright, so what normally happens with a falling wedge is at the end of a falling wedge you get a big breakout, which works similar to this. Okay, we usually get a big breakout at the end. So if a normal falling wedge structure was to play out, would get a big breakout, hopefully a retest, and the continuation up. But whether we get that or not, only time will tell, but I'm closely watching this structure. Alright, and on the 4 hourly, what we're starting to see here is a bull flag formation. Okay, although we are currently still in a downtrend, to those of you that don't know what a downtrend means, it means we have a high here, low, lower high, lower low, lower high again, and then this big drop, which is another lower low. Okay, so that is a downtrend. But in terms of market structure, we're starting to see a bull flag form. Okay, which normally results in another breakout like that. Okay, bull flag, downtrend, then pop. Right now, this was a really bad fake out, which got a lot of people bearish, but we've made a nice recovery from that, and the strength of that recovery is very encouraging. Okay, it had a lot of levels to break, but it broke clean through that. All right, so we're back in that bull flag. So what normally happens in markets is the more times a certain level or trend line is tested, the weaker it becomes. Right, so we've had one test, 2, 3, and we're about to hit it for the 4th time. Okay, so we could break it this time round, only time will tell, but because of this bullish momentum, I'm a bit more optimistic than I was back here. Right, so what we could see is a shallow retracement down to the support level, or even a retest of this trend line, and then with a bit more momentum we push past this trend line and then break out of the bull flag. Right, and then we could come back for a retest and then continue up. But just because we break out of this bull flag, I'm not going to be bullish or looking for longs. I would like to see a complete reversal of the trend, which means I want to be breaking this previous swing high. So we create a higher high, then a higher low, then a continuation of the uptrend, and then create a higher high again. Right, then only I will become bullish in this time frame. Right, and then we can see a bit of momentum build up, and then we can start pushing up towards these resistance levels. Right, so I'm just patiently waiting for the market to make a decision on which way it wants to go, but I am watching certain structures closely. On the hourly, what we're starting to see now is a bear flag. Right, so this bear flag could lead to this shallow retracement I was talking about, and then with a bit more momentum we can start pushing up. Okay, so I am watching very closely to take a swing trade, a break of this bull flag, and then a break of this resistance level here, and then we start creating an uptrend. Right, and in terms of the daily chart, I am looking for that falling wedge to break. Right, which would give me a breakout, a really good momentum heading towards these resistance levels. And then for me to be really bullish, I want to see us completely break this resistance level here, a retest, and then continuation up. But we've got a long way to go. We've got a lot of resistance levels to break before we get there, but I am just patiently waiting for the market to make a decision on which way it wants to go. right? That's all for today. That's all the analysis we have. We do have a couple of videos coming up on Bitcoin itself, looking at the Wyckoff schematic, whether this is an accumulation phase or distribution phase. So keep an eye out on that. And we do have a lot of great content regarding Forex, NFTs, and so on. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our content. Follow us on Twitter and Telegram. I'm going to put the links in the description down below. We're starting to build a great community out there, so please come and join us. Until next time, peace out. Have a good day. See you soon.